Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor, bringing you another Sunday night coaching series. This evening we had the honor to have Mr. Dan Gandhi, who is a real estate investor, mobile home investor. He's a realtor out in the West. Look, tune in, go watch the link is in the descriptions. Check out a lot of the tips that he was sharing with us. And the Sunday night coaching series is about bringing value. It's about bringing you the tips, the education, just contributing to this industry that we're growing steadily. Mobile home investing. The niche isn't going anywhere, guys. The need for affordability housing continues to rise, and that's what mobile homes are. Mobile homes are the last resort of affordability housing. Listen to his story, listen to the things he's doing. When we invest in mobile homes, we're not just creating a portfolio of real estate passive income. We're providing that affordability housing to somebody less fortunate. It's a real true contribution that we do. So check out the link, go visit it, and don't forget to join us every Sunday night, 8 p.m. EST time. Different speaker, whether it's an entrepreneur, business owner, all these people coming on here are going to add value to the mobile home industry. Thank you for watching.